Hello, now in this video what we're going to do is we are going to take some simple steps to make your content unique. And let's start with a video. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to youtube.com. We get to youtube.com. Obviously you're going to have some videos that you have uploaded, so you can both take your PLR video and you can go to the upload section. You can upload it into YouTube. What you should also have uploaded to YouTube are some intros and some outros. So in other words, if you want to do an introduction to the content, you want to do an introduction to the topic, you want to do an introduction to who you are, you can actually do that introduction by video and you can upload it to YouTube. Once you've done that, then what we're going to do is we're going to mix those videos together, and we can do that inside of the area called the video editor. So what we're going to do right now is go to your video editor. And when you get to the video editor section, what you're going to do is go to your project. You're going to create a new project, and then you're going to call that new project new video, and you want to name it uniquely according to what you're trying to do. Maybe you'll call it new video 1. So you will have the video that you have uploaded, that's your PLR video. You'll also have your video that is your introduction. So what you're going to do here is you're going to drag this video into the first position, and then what you're going to do is you're going to grab your intro, and that's what we're going to do right now. Now we can get back to our group of videos by clicking this little camera there. And what we're going to do now is we're going to drag in another video. And let's say this video is your intro, and we're just going to drag it into that position. What we could do, of course, is we could take that video, we could put that in the first position and have the other one in the second position. So we can move these videos around based on where we actually want them. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the videos. We're going to put an outro in there. I'm going to stop that video. So what you'll see here, this would be your individual introduction. This would be your personal or your outro. This would be your video in here. So then you'd have a unique video based on what it is that you are actually doing. Now all that you'll need to do then is you'll need to go and then click the create video button. It's going to create a brand new video, and that makes your video unique. Now one other thing that you're going to be able to do that's going to be good for your viewers is to actually be able to do some filters if you need to. But what you can also do is you can actually do a transition. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back, we're going to click that button again, that camera button. That's going to bring us back to this page, and you're going to go and you're going to see here that what you can do is you can add in some transitions. And so you can drag that transition into between the videos that you have, so that what will happen is your videos can fade, whatever it is that you want to do in terms of making it into something that you like stylistically. And then what you have is you have your PLR video, you have your introduction, you have your closing, and then you have the content here in the middle. Once you click the create video button, then that's going to make this a unique PLR video that you've changed into something that you want to actually give to your customer. Now you're also going to have written text, and of course the easiest thing to do with written text in order to make it unique is to rewrite it all together. You want to try to capture the essence of the article so that you're not recreating the ideas, but you're just rewriting the words. The easiest way to do that is to take one paragraph at a time and then to rewrite that paragraph. Now we're not going to do that here. You can actually hire this out to someone, or if you want to write it in your own style, you're just going to rewrite the article according to what it is that you are trying to do. So there is no real easy way to do this other than to actually outsource the article or outsource the rewriting. Rewriting is typically going to be less expensive than if you had an article written from scratch, but it is definitely a way for you to make unique content from what you already have. Now there are going to be times when you're going to actually get a Word document or some kind of document that's a word process document, and what you're going to do obviously is you want to rebrand that according to what it is that you are doing as your brand. So what we do is open up this document, And then in Microsoft Word, depending on what version you have, you want to enable the editor. And then what you're going to do naturally is you are going to want to then add in your branding. So typically that's going to mean adding in your name, adding in your URL. If you want to do a little work with the document, you're going to want to add in some images. You can get images from some of the free stock photo places, or you can add in images that you already have. You're also going to, and this goes without saying, you do want to make sure that you're going to proofread this document. For instance, you'll see here that this says color scheme, and it actually means color scheme. You're going to have some cases where Microsoft Word is just not going to catch all of the spelling errors. So one of the things you want to do is to make sure to read the document over yourself. Now, once you've actually done that, you've added in your branding. Let's say that you want to add in your company name. Your company name's 5-minute guide to affiliate marketing success in this case. Right? You're going to change that. You don't want to call this a special report. You want to call this, you want to call this your, a branded name. Your company's special report, so that you've got something there that you actually have here that you actually want to use. So once you've actually branded or rebranded your document, then all you're going to do is you're going to go to the file area and you're going to save that document, and you want to save it as an Adobe PDF. And that will actually give your customer a branded report. It'll actually give them something of more value than a Word document, and you'll actually already have it in the format that they can actually read on both their PC as well as on their mobile device. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.